voltage is divided. Any voltage like individual resistor voltage lang are proportional to the series resistance value. In the formula, V is equal to IR, voltage equal to current multiplied by substitute the VP over RT for I. Diba, alam naman natin na pag-series, I total equal to I1, I2, equal to I2, I3. Then, so pinaglit natin siya dito sa I, RT. Para ito, formula for V1. Balik natin yung VT R1, V1 R1 by VT over R2. Or, maka-2 resistance, ito yung VT R1 multiplied by R1 plus R2. R2 plus R1 is R. For V2 naman, ito yung pagkatalong natin na R2. Then, ito na. VT R2 over R1 for solve for current, nakakuha natin ba solve for current, VT over RT from this formula. Bakit tayo voltage sa series VT equal to V1 at V2. Kung ilan ang resistance, i-ano natin yung resistance para ka lang hindi pagkakasigan. Sabi, the largest resistance of the voltage. Bakit niya nasabi yun? Kasi, pag iba, mayroong nakita ko dito,